From big financial institutions to individual investors, cryptocurrency is popular with people of all ages. But as much as we want to stay positive, there's no denying that crypto isn't for everyone. Crypto has been the talk of Techie Town for quite some time now. Are you ready to jump in? But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoNow, and we're back with another incredible video. So please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. With the current advancements in technology, the world of crypto is becoming more diverse. But did you know that you can trade digital currencies even when you're on the go? All you need are the best crypto apps the internet has to offer. When it comes to selecting the best cryptocurrency trading applications for your skill set and financial objectives, there are numerous key factors to consider. Some of these are the regulation and security, supported cryptocurrency marketplaces, fees and commissions, and user friendliness. In order to help you out, we've put together a list of the top 5 cryptocurrency trading applications for 2022. Number 1. eToro. In the world of crypto trading apps, eToro is definitely the one to beat. By using eToro, you will also be using a brokerage platform that has been approved and regulated by numerous Tier 1 financial institutions like the SEC, ASIC, SISEC, and the Financial Conduct Authority. So you can be certain that all of your trades will be done safely. With the eToro app, you'll have access to a plethora of markets, and it's completely compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Along with a vast amount of minor currencies, this app includes big cap top 10 digital assets too. For example, DeFi currencies such as Aave, Cosmos, Decentraland, and Polkadot are accessible for trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It also accepts deposit in fiat currency, as well as bank transfers, debit or credit cards, and even PayPal. Most importantly, this well-regarded cryptocurrency trading tool provides some of the most reasonable fees available on the market. This is due to the fact that you will only be charged the spread when making orders. Furthermore, if you're located in the United States, you may deposit and withdraw money without incurring any fees. They do list all of the payment options that are currently supported, like debit or credit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. In addition to allowing users to purchase and sell cryptocurrency, the eToro app gives access to hundreds of equities and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, as well as tradable markets on FX, commodities, and indices. You may also trade passively using the eToro app, since you can choose a successful investor to mimic their trades like for like on this platform. In addition, eToro provides smart portfolios, which are diversified and professionally managed. On top of that, it's also highly rated on Economy Watch Best Bitcoin Exchange UK Guide. Number 2. Webull. If you're on a tight budget or just looking to take a tiny risk with your money, Webull might be one of the finest cryptocurrency applications for you. Webull, like Robinhood, is a popular stock trading software that allows both novice and experienced investors to buy and sell stocks without paying any commissions, a practice known as commission-free trading. But Webull distinguishes itself by providing consumers with access to tax-advantaged IRAs, allowing them to ensure that they are putting money away for retirement. Aside from all that, Webull allows you access to initial public offerings and fractional shares, making it simple to grab a piece of a firm before it even goes public. Webull currently provides trading for more than 5,000 equities and ETFs, as well as more than 30 different kinds of cryptocurrencies, according to the company. Along with the commission-free trading, active investors may create a traditional, Roth, or rollover IRA with Webull, providing themselves the opportunity to manage their retirement funds in the same location that they manage their stock portfolio. With all that's been said, it's important to note that there are no mutual funds available for purchase through Webull. While an exchange-traded fund or ETF may still offer the quick investing diversification you long for, consumers looking for mutual funds should open a separate brokerage account with companies like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or the robo-advisor Betterment. In other aspects, the firm seems to have drawn lessons from recent forerunners such as Robinhood, which caters to new and casual investors who demand a terrific mobile experience as well as a clean, streamlined desktop interface to get started with investing. Hey friend, we've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Next up on our list, Robinhood. In its early phases, Robinhood distinguished itself as a game-changing disruptor in the securities brokerage market. Its most significant competitive advantage was the fact that it did not charge fees on stock, option, or cryptocurrency trading. Unfortunately, this advantage has been offset as more trading applications have surfaced. Due to a simple design and user experience that emphasizes the fundamentals, Robinhood has created a strong brand and niche market among young, tech-savvy investors despite rising competition in the realm of pricing. With more than 13 million members, it's clear that Robinhood has positioned itself to be the go-to platform for younger investors looking to get their feet wet in the stock market, even if it means investing in modest amounts via fractional shares. If you're thinking about trying your hand at cryptocurrency investment, Robinhood can definitely help you with that. Aside from allowing you to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies on their platform, Robinhood has also extended their options, making the broker a potentially attractive alternative for options traders. When it comes to the user interface, the Robinhood smartphone application is really simple to use. Despite the fact that the broker offers a web-based platform, it is a mobile-first company. When comparing Robinhood and its rivals, this is a significant point of distinction. You may also trade ETFs, options contracts, and cryptocurrencies for free. As long as your account is set up to participate in the Dividend Reinvestment Program or DRIP, Robinhood will automatically reinvest any dividends received from stocks or ETFs, provided that the holdings permit fractional share trading, that is. Number 4. Binance.us. While no cryptocurrency exchange is without flaws, Binance.us provides a compelling combination of relevant charts and a streamlined user experience. The best part is that Binance.us charges very low costs for spot trading, as well as extremely competitive instant buy rates. Because of its popularity, Binance is one of the most extensively utilized cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and with good reason. In the United States, Binance.us, a subsidiary established in San Francisco, is accessible to many, but not all, citizens of the country. Citizens of Hawaii, Idaho, Louisiana, New York, Texas, and Vermont are unable to use this cryptocurrency exchange due to licensing restrictions. Despite this, Binance.us continues to rank among the top 10 cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, according to cryptocurrency industry ranker CoinMarketCap.com. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, Binance.us is definitely a good place to start. This platform should provide the majority, if not all, of what you're searching for in a trading app. Number 5. Gemini. Gemini was founded in 2014 by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, early Facebook founders made famous by the film The Social Network. According to data and analytics firm CoinMarketCap, Gemini is one of the top 15 cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. This could be attributed to the level of security it provides, as well as its availability in all 50 states, including New York. Gemini has a user-friendly site as well as many instructional tools, making it a reasonable alternative for beginning crypto investors who are just getting their feet wet in the industry. The cryptocurrency exchange's extensive security features, over-the-counter trading platform, and APY earning crypto loan function should appeal to crypto trading veterans who want to take their skills to the next level. It is possible that Gemini's complicated fee structure will be too much of a disadvantage for people who are just getting started with cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, active traders may choose a site like Binance.us because it offers trading costs that are often lower than those charged by Gemini. While there are just a few exchanges in the United States that enable margin trading, the absence of advanced trading alternatives such as margin or short selling may cause frustration among more experienced traders. Regardless of the platform you choose, keep in mind that purchasing cryptocurrencies in general comes with a disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are extremely speculative and volatile. To avoid such risks, most financial advisors advise not placing all or even a significant portion of your savings into them. Every investor should use caution when dealing with Bitcoin exchanges and investment opportunities. Make sure you don't put more money into your investment than you can afford to lose. So, have you decided which platform to use yet? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is CryptoNow, and we'll see you in our next video.